Cooking with Snowbikes, episode 1, 2026. We're out here on some wicked hydro lines. Chris has gone down there to explore the unknown. Elton's just ethon. It's a balmy -20. Look what we got here. Got myself a turkey sandwich, thanks to my mother-in-law, and a lovely turkey dinner. You know how it works. It's about an hour, so we're gonna put this on. Now I gotta say, oh, it's deep, it's up to my waist. This year, we've had a great start to the season, but unfortunately we've lost a few snowbike soldiers. So I might do a couple episodes this winter in honor of them. They sold their kits and they've taken up, I believe it's knitting. I don't know what that's about, but yeah, Snowbike Ontario. Great group, join up. Check out the snow down in Sault Ste. Marie this year. We're gonna get this turkey sandwich with cheese cooking, and I'll see you in about an hour. Well, it's been about an hour and a bit. How is it, Chris?
Mint. Nice and fluffy.
Minty.
That turkey sandwich has been cooking for a bit. Just gotta get it out of here. Oh, I can't wait for this. Let's see if it's got any crispy. Oh, it's even toasted a bit. Look at that. Hot turkey sandwich in the woods. Well, there is some crispy on it. Signature crispy. Look at that. Oh wow. Cooking with snow. Oh my god. Cooking with Snowbikes. I love it.